video we will discuss about the Bronsted-Lowry theory, that was a Bronsted acid and base. Today we will discuss about the Lewis acid and base. Lewis acid and base. We are having different theories of acid and base. In before we have discussed about the Bronsted acid and base. Today we will discuss about the Lewis acid and base. Basically, Lewis gave this we can say this concept on the electronic this was the basically electronic concept. Electronic This was the electronic concept. How he said that he gave the idea of acid and base according to the electrons. How if we are having acid and base, if any we can say any element that is accepting a lone pair, that will called as acid. Accepting of lone pair, that will call the acid, and base, that will donate a electron pair, that will called as a base. That will donate electron pair, that will called as a base. So this was a basically concept that was given by the Lewis. So here, suppose that if I give example, that was a AlCl3. Here Al, if I take AlCl3, so here you can see it can also, we can say it can, here the space is remaining. Here we are having a space that this AlCl3 can accept a lone pair here. It can accept lone pair here. So this will called as a acid. So this is a acid. If any substance, or sorry, any element or a compound that can accept a lone pair, that will known as a acid. And here if we talk about NH3, if we talk about so here electron density is towards the nitrogen. Why? Because the electronegativity of nitrogen is 3.00 and 2.1, 2.1 and 2.1. So you can see the more, we can say electron density is more towards the nitrogen. So here nitrogen can donate lone pair. It can donate a lone pair, so this will be called as a base. As I written here, any element that can we can say donate an electron pair, that will known as a base. So this will be known as a base. Now here AlCl3 is also called as acid. Why AlCl3 is also called acid, but salt, but acidic salt, why it is called a salt? Because Al is electron deficient, as we discussed, so it can accept a lone pair, so this is acid, right? But metal, as we all know, metal plus non-metal is known as a salt. As we all discussed, that metal plus non-metal is salt. So here we are having one metal and one non-metal, so this will be called as a salt. we cannot say the base, and we can say acid called a salt, but metal and non-metal called a salt, but this will be known as a acidic salt. This will be known as a acidic salt. After that, here we are having one point that was given by a Lewis in this theory, that was that suppose here this product is the adduct. This product is an adduct, and the bond between these two reactant is the coordinate covalent bond. Why? What is adduct? I am telling you. Adduct is a product of a direct addition of two or more distinct molecules. You can see here NH3 and Al3. It is a direct addition of two or more distinct molecules resulting a single reaction product. Here these two are adding to each other and we are getting one product, a single product, resulting a single reaction product containing all atoms of all compounds, which means when we will add these two, when we will add a, we can say two compounds, we can say directly two compounds, we will get a one product, we'll get a one product that will have all, we can say all atoms of these two compounds, so that will known as a adduct. And the bond between the two products that are directly, we can say added to each other, that will be the coordinate covalent bond. So hope you will understand the concept of adduct. What is adduct? It is basically a product of direct addition of two or more distinct molecules resulting a single reaction product containing all atoms of its compounds. So that was about the adduct, and this was all about the Lewis acid and base. Hope you have understand this. In next video we will discuss about the ionization constant of water or ionic product of water.